Hello there, this is Sunil from Smart Token Labs, and I'm here today to give you a quick demo of the ticket attestation solutions that was implemented for Devcon 6, which happened in October 2022. And during this demo, I will take you through the user experience, starting from when a user gets their ticket attestation. And during this demo, I will show you permissionless perks solution that allows anyone to offer perks or offers directly to the event participants, the NFT minting functionality, and the ticket attestation QR code, which could be used for in person interaction to prove that you are a ticket holder. So let's jump into the demo. So when a user buys the Devcon ticket, the Devcon would send the user confirmation, etc. However, a few days before the event, Devcon would send out the actual tickets, which are shared as PDFs, along with the Devcon ticket attestation link. Now, this link is called a magic link and it has a cryptographic proof, a ticket attestation that is from Devcon's public key and attests that a email ID, my email ID in this case, has a ticket and it's assigned against a specific ticket numbers, and this could be verified through standard cryptographic methods. So once the user clicks this link, what happens is that this website reads the ticket attestation, decodes and stores it in the user's browser's local storage, which means that it can be considered as an off chain token that resides in a very secure space, a secure enclave of the browser, so that it cannot be directly accessed or tampered by other websites, and it stores the cryptographic proof that a user holds a ticket. Now, with this, in this website, there are three key sections here. So, first one is permissionless perks. And since the attestations are a cryptographic proof that can be verified by anyone, it allows any of the broader ecosystem of the event to offer services or deals directly to the customer. So that is what we call as permissionless perks, as these are perks offered by anyone to the event participant in a permissionless fashion. I'll take you through it in a little bit later. There is also an NFT minting component to it. I'll show you how to mint a NFT using the magic link. And finally, there is the ticket attestation QR code that can be used to prove that you have a ticket. This can be scanned in a physical space in an in real life interaction to prove that you have a ticket. Now let's start with the permissionless perks first. So for Devcon, we had around 18 permissionless perks listed, and some of them had been expired, but most of them works in this way, where the user can click and go to the page, and this page was created by us in partnership with all these providers. We can help you guys also do this the same, but ideally we have an integration guide that can be used by the perk provider to create their own perk. So in this case, once I click the button there, the component here reads that there's an off-chain token that's stored in the browser's wallet and allows the user to continue and access this page where they can submit their name, email, and a link to a resume and submit it. So in this perk, MetaSearch is providing free CV review. We had permissionless perks to get 50% off the tickets, perks where you could submit ideas to venture capitalists, a option to mint your own derivative, get your access to Alchemy, registration for events, side parties, etc. Now, of this, get into the NFT derivative minting part really quickly. Now, what this perk allows you to do is for you to go to the brand extender page, select one of the NFTs that we have here. So we also have our support for Board Ape Yachts Club. And once you are in here, you could dress up the NFT
using merch that is specific to your event, and you can mint it. In my case, I had already minted it, so I cannot mint it again, but this is essentially the concept of it. We can take you through it, run you through it if you're interested in it. So that's one of the perks. And yeah, we can help you with creating this web page. However, you can implement all of it on your own as well. Now, when it goes to NFTs, we had Devcon minting experience switched on across 4 different networks, and people could come in and free mint on Optimistic, Arbitrum, and on Polygon. While on mainnet, you had to pay the gas fee. The minting experience is really simple, quick, and easy. All I have to do is click mint button, and once it loads up, I need to connect my wallet. And once I do that, all I need to do is click mint NFT, and remember that this is a free mint. So the transaction had been initiated, and yes, the NFT is minted already. And that's it. The user doesn't have to pay any fees. However, for the mainnet, the users had to pay the gas fees in order to mint it. And once it's minted, you'll be able to go in and view your NFT across multiple NFT marketplaces, and you could also see the transaction in Blockchain Explorer. So that's how minting works. And finally, the QR code. We have a separate web app that can be used to scan these tickets. If you're interested in using it, we can also help you to build a dedicated application, a iOS or Android app that would read the QR code, and it can be used during the event to distribute merchandises or access meeting rooms or even get into side events without registrations, etc. So these are the 3 key modules that we had created for Devcon using ticket attestations and also the derivative minting side. So hopefully this was meaningful, and let us know if you have any questions. I'm more than happy to discuss and let you know what we could do for your event. Thank you, and hopefully chat to you soon.